St. Jago High is represented by Janelle Essen, Kevandra Blake, Jermaine Miller, and Captain Leroy Casanova. While Munro College is represented by Tajon Hall, Leano Williams, Jamoy Pitter, and Captain Donald Robinson. Hello everyone. Welcome to the second match in the best of three semi-final series of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2023. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. In this series, teams will have to defeat their opponents twice to move into the championship match. St. Jago High leads the series 1-0, and Munro needs a win to stay alive in the competition. Now it all comes down to this. Only 4 high schools have survived the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to advance to the finals? Well, let's find out. This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked the questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and St. Jago High won and decided to go in first. And so we begin with St. Jago High. Now, this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. St. Jago, we begin with literature. Who is the author of the controversial book, Lolita?
Vladimir Nabokov. Vladimir Nabokov.
Correct. Munro College Literature, who is the author of the novel Notes on a Scandal?
Notes on a Scandal.
Somebody Russian.
Miguel de Cervantes.
Miguel de Cervantes.
Incorrect. Zoe Heller. International Affairs for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
President that you like him.
You see? I'm going Buhari.
Muhammadu
Buhari.
Incorrect. Atiku Abubakar, presidential candidate in Nigeria, 2023 elections. International Affairs for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Right. Bola Tinubu.
Bola Tinubu.
Incorrect. Peter Obi, presidential candidate in the Nigeria 2023 elections. Biology for St. Jago. What is the name of the ground tissue that generally constitutes the filler tissue in plants?
Sclerenchyma or parenchyma? Parenchyma.
Parenchyma.
Correct. Biology for Munro. Which type of phloem cell is used as a conduit in moving the products of photosynthesis in a plant?
Cell, phloem cell. Sieve tube cell.
Sieve tube cell.
Correct. Music for St. Jago. Listen to the clip. Give the title of this song.
Of your skin is a holy grail I've got to find.
Love me like you do.
Love me like you do.
Correct. Music Munro. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Be the death of me, at least we'll both be enough.
I can't feel my face.
Wait. I can't feel my face.
Wait. I hit upon here, I just can't feel my face.
Can't feel my face.
Can't feel my face.
Correct. Geography for St. Jago. Mount Mazinga, or the Quill, is a dormant stratovolcano located on which island in the Caribbean, Netherlands?
Caribbean Netherlands. Aruba. ABC Island. One of them. Aruba.
Aruba.
Incorrect. St. Eustatius. Geography for Munro College. What mountain, which consists of one or more stratovolcanoes, is located in which Caribbean country?
Dominica. What mountains?
Oh,
Dominica.
Dominica.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Alicia Vikander.
Correct. Munro, Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
What is?
No.
I have that?
Go on.
Alright.
Name.
Amanda Bynes.
Amanda Bynes.
Incorrect. Daisy Ridley. Bible knowledge for St. Jago. What was the name of the Jewish ruling council which was critical of the teachings of Jesus?
Sanhedrin.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Munro. Which apostle described himself as a Pharisee of the Pharisees?
Paul.
Paul.
Correct. Sports for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Lamaradistin.
Incorrect. Natalia White, Jamaican athlete. Sports for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
I like him just about that chumps.
Deja Russell.
No?
Deja Russell.
Deja Russell.
Incorrect. Jelani Walker, Jamaican athlete. Biology for St. Jago. What nerve transmits signals to muscles in the forearm and hand and is responsible for sensation in the ring and little finger?
Median nerve.
Radial
nerve.
Radial.
Radial nerve.
Radial nerve.
Incorrect. The ulnar nerve. And biology for Munro. Excessive pressure on which motor nerve is the cause of carpal tunnel syndrome?
Motor nerve.
No, it's an wrist.
No, we go with radial
Radial nerve.
nerve.
Radial nerve.
Incorrect. Median nerve. And geography for St. Jago. Which ocean or what ocean is bounded by the continents of Asia and Oceania in the west and the Americas in the east?
Americas in the east. So Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
Correct. Geography for Munro. What ocean is located between Europe and Africa to the east and North and South America to the west?
The Atlantic Ocean.
The Atlantic Ocean.
Correct. Chemistry, and that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are St. Jago High on 6 and Munro College on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Quarterfinal action in Schools Challenge Quiz 54 returns right after these messages.